सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। We'll read from 10th verse. जानाम्यहं शेवधृत्य नित्यम् न यद्ध्रुवैः प्राप्यते हि ध्रुवं तत्। ततो मया नचिकेतश्चितोऽग्निः अनित्यैर्द्रव्यैः प्राप्तवानस्मि नित्यम्। कामस्याप्तिं जगतः प्रतिष्ठाम् क्रतोरनन्त्यम् अभयस्य पारम्। स्तोमं महदुरुगायं प्रतिष्ठाम् धृत्या धीरो न्यचकेतोऽत्यस्राक्षीः। Again, कामस्याप्तिं जगतः प्रतिष्ठाम् क्रतोरनन्त्यम् अभयस्य पारम्। स्तोमं महदुरुगायं प्रतिष्ठाम् दृष्ट्वा धृत्या धीरो नचिकेतोऽत्यस्राक्षीः। नचिकेतोऽत्यस्राक्षीः। We had been seeing this second valli of Kathopanishad, and in this valli, first to 13th mantras are on the Shishya Stuti, Guru Stuti, Vidya Stuti and Moksha Stuti. There are 4 things which are praised in this 13 mantras. Why this praise is done? This praise is done so that we can also be like that Nachiketa, and that knowledge which we are going to study is extremely great, valuable, important. And then rare. Yesterday you heard it is rare. And in that series of praise showered by Yamadharmaraja on Nachiketa, he said that when I was there, like you as a human being, I knew that by actions we will have a finite fruit only. Because action is only finite, when the cause is finite, effect also will be finite. Action cannot give infinite fruit, howsoever great action will be there. And after a certain time, when that action is over, when that velocity of action is over, that fruit also will be over. I had known this, then why did you opt? But even knowing that, sometimes we do something which suits our senses. sense organs are not bothered about how long joy will be there. Sense organ just want immediate joy by any way. They are not concerned what will happen later on. They are in the habit of getting joy immediately. They don't listen. And in that case, I was also like that. I had not opted for liberation. It appeared that Yam Dharmaraja got the knowledge later on, not at that time when he was a human being like Nachiketa. Even though I had known the limitations of the sense objects, what are the limitations of the sense object? Dukkha mishritatvam, atriptikaratvam and bandhakatvam. Everything is mixed with sorrow. Everything comes in a package. You can't have only joy. There is nothing called only joy. Only joy is not available. You have to get with some sorrow also, however great joy may be. Second was atripti. Still you are dissatisfied after enjoying. And third is bandhakatva, means you want to repeat it. So this, you can't say this is my last joy on this subject, after that I will not have enjoyment. Then it is very good. You can say, okay, this is the last one. This is now goodbye to the enjoyment. Forever now. So nice. But he is not saying goodbye. He is saying come more. And therefore, this is called bandhakatvam. Bandhakatvam means you are forced. You don't want, but somebody is forcing you to do something, forcing you to enjoy something, forcing you to think something. I don't want to think like that. I don't want to enjoy, but I have to enjoy. I have to enjoy. I have to think on this topic. I want to be free, but where is the freedom? You are already tied up in the mind by such thoughts. That thought is not leaving you, and that is your bandhakatvam. Okay. So, this is the praise of Nachiketas. I hope you are able to understand. Yesterday we saw that, this point also. So thought also forces you to enjoy. Thought also forces you to, you are of the nature of enjoyment. You don't want everybody's one nature is to be free. Free means what? Free means what? Well, free means free. Free means free. Where is the house? Where is the hospital? Well, in front of the road. Where is the road? In front of the hospital. So, this is the answer. Some people are, well, it's free. Well, free means free. Free means by the absence and presence you are not affected by certain thing. It is absent is also very good, present then also very good. I am not too much bound by that. I am not bound to enjoy. I am not bound to suffer. Why should I be bound? No, that thought is not going from my mind. You wanted to go. Yes, I wanted to go away. But still is not going from my mind. Frankly speaking. I don't want it to be there. Sure? It's not leaving me. But so what are you doing? Nothing. What can I do? It is not leaving me. I don't know how this thought will go away. I'm quite troubled. It is troubling me a lot since last night. What time? 10:25. I'm not able to sleep properly. Why? I slept in the day. So you are not able to drop something as at will. Achha, human nature is there. It doesn't want to be obligated to something. So that sense organs Somebody is forcing you to enjoy. Problem in that is, before you enjoy, there is anxiety to enjoy. Enjoyment time, God is very good manipulator. He has kept all enjoyment's time very short. I think animals have longer enjoyment time. Animals eat for a longer time. Animals, duration of whole day they can keep on eating. We cannot eat whole day. Howsoever glutton a person may be, he will stop after 10-15 minutes. His stomach is full. How much any enjoyment is not for a long, it's a short time. 10 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour. So I'll go out to see, I'm going for a sightseeing. How long you will see? 1 hour, 2 hour? How long you will see ice? How long you will see? Drakensberg they go. I don't know what is there. I just don't know. When you go all of a sudden, wow, what exciting scene. You will start like that. When you see, oh, you will have such expressions. Immediately they start clicking the camera. Immediately. Wow, what ice is there. All these expressions for half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours. How long? After that, I am bored. How long to see the same ice? Horse riding is there. Already we are horse of our vasanas. So, vasanas are taking us for a ride. Why you need another horse ride? So they are very short. So after that, what is the side? After effect? After effect is two. Either guilt will be there. Even if you justify, guilt will be there. Or there is a longing now, more, I want more, I want more, I want to enjoy more. This is not sufficient. So this is called bandhakatvam. So therefore, this passion is born out of his discrimination, not for his compulsion that he could not get. So that has been praised here by Yamadharmaraja. Now in 11th mantra, he is praising that you know what you have left. Nachiketa, what you have left. You have left Brahmalok. Remember I had said I'll tell about Brahmalok. One day I had said, well, I don't remember. Many things you say, I don't remember. So this is the description of again dispassion of Nachiketas. So he has rejected all lokas. What is the definition of lokas? Huh? No, I had given a technical. Various fields of experiences. These are words important. Lokyante, alokyante, anubhuyante. Where a lot of experiences are there. Certain experiences are there. That is called lokas. Like Swargalok, one experience is there. I give the example. Like the Satsang Lok is there. Kitchen Lok, another experience is there. Temple Lok, another experience is there. Sometimes people have TV room in their house. There is another TV Lok is there. So different experiences are there. So as you advance, and what this lok is the result of? Karma. And somebody's karma is very great. Karma includes vipassana also. Only karma will give swarga. Karma plus meditation will give Brahmalok. Right? Brahmalok is a very high class of lok. Why it gives Brahmalok? I'm telling you. You know, you have a thought about something bigger thought. Somebody is thinking about whole creation. That is his meditation on creation. And in that meditation, remember I said pervasiveness of thought will convert into the authority. Authority means what? Authority means where you have gifted minus and I-ness is authority. Gifted I-ness and minus is authority. Gifted, like on your body, there is full authority on your body. Nobody can say, give me your ears. No, you cannot take your ear. Nobody can take your ear. Nobody can take your nose. Or nobody can say, on your body, put that shirt. Only my body is there. What shirt I have to put, you will not decide. Now put on 4 more sweaters. See, it is my body. I will decide what I have to put on. It is my hand. I can touch my hand also. But you can't touch somebody else's hand because your authority is not there. You cannot go. If somebody's hand start touching me, he'll say, are you mad? Are you crazy or what? But my hand I can touch. I can take a comb and start combing my hair like that. Why? It's my body. You can't take a comb and start combing somebody else's hair. Because you have no authority on somebody else's body. I hope you are getting my point. So authority means gifted I-ness and minus. It is gifted by what? Your own karma. Karma and your karmapal has gifted it. Okay. Similarly, like your room is there. You can change the bed, not in this ashram, wherever you live. Don't change anything here. So, that you can change your bed. You can change your table somewhere. Because it is your room. You can do anything. So, there is a lok means where you are. Acha, now tell me, if somebody is having a very pervasive thought that this whole world is mine and I alone am in this whole world. This whole earth, sun, moon, stars, everything is I. Supposing this is his meditation, and he does meditation for hundreds of years. After doing meditation for 100 of years, now what will happen? Can you get my point? What will happen? He will get one lok where he will be possessor of a very big area of authority. So big that he can go anywhere in this lok. That lok is called Brahmalok, which is the ultimate fruit of your karma and upasana, but mainly upasana. Because he has been constantly thinking that I am everywhere. It is also called Aham Graho Upasana. I am everywhere. There is no one other than me. I am everywhere. I am here also, there also. Everywhere I am. He is just thinking. He is not Virat. He is just thinking like that. And this Brahmalok, he gets a special body. Because this body won't last for a long time. Like dog has 12 years. Our 80 years, I think, is dog's 12 years. 7 years? 7 years is one dog. One. So after 7 years, age is over. Oh, into 7. Okay, whatever is there. So, dog cannot be 20-year-old. Dog cannot have 20-year or 80-year-old dog. There is no dog like that. Similarly, because his body, that lok is only for that time. There is a dog lok. Dog lok is there. And for dog lok, you have that dog body. That dog body will only last for a short time. Similarly, human being is there. Manushya lok. Similarly, there is a bigger lok called Brahmalok. That body is for hundreds of years, thousands of years. The joy will be more or less. Why? Why? Because pervasiveness is more. What is joy? Understand what is meaning of good prarabdha. Good fate and not so good faith. When I say authority is there, you have gifted mindness on many people. What is meaning of gifted mindness? A king is there. A prince is born. Hundreds of people are under him. Whole kingdom is under him. It is gifted I-ness, gifted mindness. So whole army, he can say my army. Whole country, he say, okay, what I will want, that will happen. Policies I will fix now. This is called gifted mindness and gifted I-ness. He is identified to everything. So he cannot say, nobody can say that, why is he ordering? He has the right to order. You don't order. If you order, nobody will follow. Because you don't have that authority, gifted authority. So one who goes in the Brahmalok, his area of pervasiveness is so big that he has a very big joy. You know what is meaning of joy? Seeing yourself in someone is joy. Supposing you love somebody, so why you love joy? Why there is joy? Because you see yourself in that person. You see your house and you are happy. Why? Because you see yourself reflected in that joy. You go to India and you are happy. Why? Because you see yourself in India. One who is gifted with such a big lok that he can see himself everywhere, that is called Brahmalok. His joy will be more. There are two kinds of joy. One is material joy, that is a spiritual joy. We are talking not of spiritual joy. This is material joy. Why? He can see everywhere. He can say, all these are my people. This is all big lok is my lok. This is my city. There is big lok is my lok. Therefore you are happy to see yourself in the mirror. Why? Because you see yourself expanded. This is the philosophy behind selfie also. Selfie got popular because they can see themselves like that. You can see yourself for hours together without getting bored. You can try. Even face is not good. Still you can enjoy. Still you can enjoy yourself. Because you see yourself expanded in the form. Therefore photograph became popular. Therefore you can keep your photograph albums, you can keep, and when you have pastime you can just browse through that album and you can see how I was. I can tell you, you will never be bored of your photograph. And the science behind it, you see yourself expanded. And supposing you have one photograph in front of you, so you will see. Supposing I keep 10 photographs, so you will be much more happier. You will see constantly all that. Supposing I keep 100 photographs when you are 10 year, 5 year, 11 year, 12 year, 13 year, then you can see yourself like that. Why? Because the science says what is the meaning of joy? Sense of expansion of yourself is called joy. One definition of joy is the sense of expansion of myself is called joy. Therefore in the Brahmalok, you see yourself everywhere. Because your authority is everywhere. Nobody else can take your place because you see yourself, and therefore joy will be more. Joy of a king is more than the joy of a chief minister. Why? Because chief minister can see himself only in one province. But the king can see himself in whole country. Joy of Indra is bigger than the joy of king. Why? Because Indra can see himself in whole earth. He said, any time I want, I'll flood it. Joy of Brahma is much more than joy of Indra. In Taittiriya Upanishad it comes. I hope you're understanding. So the material joy is dependent on how much bigger authority is there, how much you can see yourself reflected. Acha, what is pain now? One who doesn't listen to you, that is pain. Because you can't see yourself in that person. Somebody has cut you, supposing somebody has chopped you off. No, don't say nobody chops me. No, chops me means somebody has cut my identity. There are many like that. So, if somebody has cut my identity, I will not be happy to see that. Why? Because I don't see myself in him. The mother will see the child and will be very happy to see the child in her lap. Why? Because she can see herself in the child. When they bring the children to me, the small children, and give it to me, and I see they are so happy with that child, I feel what is in that child that they are so happy. But ask the mother sees himself in her child. My child is there, my child. Although child is also like that. But still, she is so happy with the child. And she can do everything for the child because she sees herself with the child. Sometimes, twins are born. Sometimes triplets are born. Sometimes what is it called? Quadruplets. How many? 8 are born. Octoplex pata nahi kiya. One woman was there, America or somewhere. 8 children babies were born. What you will call? Octuplets. Octuplets were born. Imagine she was so happy. One maid was giving bath to the twins. So other was crying. So maid said, "Why are you crying?" He said, "You gave him bath twice." You did not. You did not give. Imagine that mother who had 8 babies. She'll be happy or unhappy? Huh? Nahi kya? She is very happy. Those who have twins, they are very happy. I saw them. I thought too much of work, but they are very happy. If neighbor puts his baby, supposing 8 baby she has hers, and neighbor gives her own baby, then that baby will be a load. Because I cannot see myself in that baby. So what is the meaning of material joys? The freedom given by the prarabdha, by your karma phal, to see yourself in many. That is called good prarabdha. To see yourself in more pervasive area. Therefore I said joy of king is more than the joy of a provincial chief minister. And joy of one, I'm talking of material joys, not the spiritual joy. Don't mix that matter. Don't mix that matter. I'm not talking about spiritual joy. That is going to come later on. Material joy is based. Joy of beggar is not there. Why? He had no place to say my and I. Very small place is there. That footpath where he sleeps in the night, that is only place. Or shack is there. If somebody else occupies that shack or footpath, he will fight for that. Because that was his place. He can say only this much. But the king who has a very big area and a big palace is there and wife is there and hundreds of people are working, when he goes, everything, when the presidents go, they get a guard of honor. 21 guns salute they got. 21 guns salute they will get. They will get lot of salute from all places. Army chief will come, naval chief will come. Everybody. What is this? He is perceiving himself everywhere. This is his material joy. So material joy is measured by the gifted authority where you can see yourself easily. And more you can see yourself in somebody, more will be your material joy. I hope you are clear on that point. ठीक है. So don't just dismiss. नहीं, king's joy is nothing. अरे भाई, उसका joy है. He has got joy from his prarabdha. He has got joy from his prarabdha. How come he got the joy? Remember that because he must have entertained more pervasive thought. He must have given lot of donation. Donation means what? More donation giving means what? Bigger area or identifying with. Well, give this much also. Give this much also. And because of that bigger area that he identified with, he has now a bigger authority being given in the next birth. And therefore his joy is very much. Everybody is listening to me. Everybody is mine only. Well, this is my son, this is my daughter, this is my daughter-in-law, this is my hall. When I go to very big houses, this is a hall where I play billiards. This is the place where I play tennis. Whose court is my tennis court? This is my swimming pool. This is my big office is there. I can't walk now. No, you don't walk. Come. Driver, get the car. Car came. Car is traveling in the farmhouse to go from one place to another place. Imagine the bigness. Where are you taking me now? Come to the office. Let us put your feet on the office. This is everywhere this my is there. This is my office. How many people are there? 20 people are sitting here. But how come this is a bedroom here in the office? No. When I'm tired, I sleep also. In the office only. But you are the boss, you can do anything. Others can also use. No, it is only for me. Oh, okay. This is my tennis court. Oh, that tennis is a small ball. That ball. This is that short tennis. Not lawn tennis. This is that tennis court is there. इतना बड़ा घर है आपका. How much? What is the size? Not too much. 11 acres. 11 acres. Hey, get the cows here. How many cows you have? 30 cows. 30 cows you have. Sure. How many people are there to take care of the cow? 5 people are there. 5 people with the cow only. Yes. And with you, how many are there? With me, maybe 15, 20. ऐसे बोलते हैं. This is pervasiveness. He can see more in himself. He sees himself in cow also, sees himself in servant also, sees himself in tennis court also, sees himself in swimming pool also, sees himself in basketball, what is it called, court also, basketball court, no? Or sees himself in wife also. What to say of children, what to say of daughter-in-law, what to say of the dog. पूछो मत. कहां से आ गया ये? How did you earn money? No, my father was there. This was my father's. Then I took over the business. Business was good. So you are gifted by certain thing. I hope you are understanding. Because it takes time for the concept to trickle down. And one beggar is there, how many he can say mine? At the most he will say this shack is mine, or this footpath is mine. How many vessels you have? 1, 2 vessels. Children, these are my children. One child has gone for begging. Court, etc. No, I have to go to the court for case. That's the only court, not that court. How many you can say my and I as he is saying? Clear ho gaya? Everybody is gifted with different authorities. If somebody's action is too good and upasana is too good, he is gifted with highest authority called Brahmalok. It is highest authority. And that is mentioned here. So this is, Nachiketa dropped this Brahmalok also. Very good, I understand now that. Acha, in your area you can travel anywhere. Where you are going, you can take walk in your room. In your house you can walk. I can't walk in the neighbor's yard. I can't jump and walk. He said, who are you? I'll call the police. But I can walk in our yard. It is my freedom, I can walk. So one who is identified with the Brahmalok, he can go anywhere in the Brahmalok. He can take a small form, big form. Of sun is there. Sun. Of this sun can take any form, and he is in all of you. He is watching everything. Imagine the bigness and authority of the sun. He is seeing everybody. Okay. So let us now see this. Get the points clear now. So please note, one is authority given by the prarabdha. Achha, supposing somebody is king and he is saying I am the king, is it right or wrong? He's not, you can't say he's an egoistic person. He's thinking I'm the king. He is the king, what's wrong? He is saying he is the king, what problem you have? When he is the king, he is the president. If he is saying, you can't say he is lot of ego. He is saying he is the president. He is the president. He is the president. What will he say? Somebody was very beautiful. Some person said, she thinks she is very beautiful. I said, if she is and she thinks, what you have a problem? Because you are not there for, you are censoring that. When she is beautiful and she thinks it is gifted to her, you don't trouble yourself, okay? Don't become Vedantin at that point. That word is not true. Don't try to put that point. You have to agree that it has been gifted to her. Nothing wrong from empirical level. From empirical level, if somebody is Miss World, no problem. She is Miss World. Some action she must have done in the past. Therefore, she introduces, I am Miss World. What is the problem? What problem you have? You are only Miss. Okay. So, if that is there, she has been gifted. So you should not be feeling that they are not good people. They are all having a lot of pride. That is another matter. But if I am like that and I am thinking I am a rich person, what is the problem? He is rich. Okay. I hope you are clear. Very clear.